on the D40. It's pretty simple. Tail light. There's a 10mm bolt there, 10mm bolt there. You remove those. Once those are removed, it's just a matter of sliding it out. And then you can pull it, you can just twist off the holder for the globes and access your globe and check your globes. So first things first, put new globes in. If that hasn't solved the problem, then you're going to have to start looking into your wiring loom. So your Nissan D40 has a fuse box on the passenger side. One of those fuses, there is a stop lamp fuse. So check that fuse first. It has another fuse box on the driver's side, but there are no fuses for lights in there. But there's another hidden fuse box at the back on the passenger side against the firewall near the windscreen. It has some weird little clips that you need to pull back to be able to release this. I've already released it because it's quite difficult to do it one-handed. Pull it out carefully. Underneath is your ECU plugins. And you can see down there are some more fuses. And there is a tail lamp fuse, a 10 amp tail lamp fuse. Check that fuse. If that fuse is intact, then you need to dig deeper. I've already found the problem, and I'll take you to the back and show you where the problem is. So I noticed something. I climbed underneath the vehicle and one of the dogs has chewed off the wires to the trailer plug. So I thought maybe those wires are shorting out, so I taped them up and just to see if I can get the lights to work. Still not working. Anyway, then I came out here and you'll see that the trailer loom plugs into the main loom coming from the front of the vehicle. So this here is the loom coming in from the front of the vehicle. That plug then plugs into this plug, which runs through down to the trailer plug and returns on this line here, which then plugs into the tail light loom for the two tail lights. So unplug this one and this one, and then plug the front loom, the main loom, straight into the tail light loom. The problem is that with these wires that have been chewed off here, they've broken circuit. So they have a closed circuit that goes in from there and then comes out over here. So the only way to get these lights all to work again with the trailer plug is to connect up the trailer plug, to connect all these ones that have been chewed off in there to close the circuits again. Now that the plugs have been disconnected, we have, if you can see there, we have tail lights again.